Welcome to my crypto channel. In this important video, I will show you how to connect your Ledger Nano X or S to your Metamask wallet to protect your crypto. It's really not difficult to do, just follow the instructions in this video. As you may already know, you must write down your Metamask seed phrase consisting of 12 or 24 words on a piece of paper, and store it somewhere safe offline so nobody can access your tokens. But that's not enough. If you by accident land on a malicious website, or someone hacks into your computer and installs a keylogger or a Trojan, they can easily get access to your wallet. Your seed phrase is stored inside your computer in a special file, and if someone gets access to it, they can make a copy and drain your Metamask wallet. It happens all the time, and hackers are getting smarter every day. I recently had an encounter with a potential hacker. Here's how it went. A few days ago, I was looking for help in the official Ledger Telegram group because I wanted to know how to use my Ledger device on my mobile phone. Minutes later, I was contacted by someone who claimed to be from Ledger support. Here's the conversation. He offered to help me with my problem, and recommended a shady website where I needed to sync my Metamask wallet, and scan a QR code. This is the website. If you click on one of the supported wallets, an error pop-up appears and you're asked to share your seed phrase. Of course I did not do this, and I closed the conversation with the stranger. I would never do anything like that. I'm not crazy. But other people who are not as suspicious as I am, may think that this is a legit website, give away their secret phrase and lose all their crypto. That's why it's so important to protect your Metamask accounts with a ledger. Your secret keys are stored inside the ledger and never leave the device, so it's just impossible for someone to access your keys, even if they can get into your computer. I found an excellent step-by-step video tutorial from someone who posted it on the Acounts channel, so if you care about your crypto and don't want anyone to access your tokens, please watch it all the way to the end.
Your device is now ready. So now the Ethereum app is installed. Let's go to Metamask and let's click on the icon and go connect hardware wallet. So if you haven't already used a hardware wallet, there is one setting you need to enable first. Go to settings, advanced, scroll right to the bottom and enable use Ledger Live. Once that's enabled, it will allow you to connect a hardware wallet to a ledger. So connect hardware wallet. Okay, it's going to ask me to confirm. Ethereum bridge opened. Now I come back to here and it should populate with a list of accounts. Here we go. So these are the three accounts I'm looking for. E356 we can see is the first one, but the second two are not coming up. These two are different. If you click here and change the HD path from Ledger Live to BIP 44 standard Metamask Trezor and click save. Now you'll see that accounts 1, 2 and 3 are all the correct ones that you had in Metamask before. So now I know that I can recover these. I'm going to remove Metamask completely. Yeah, because it's the only way you can wipe Metamask from your computer is to uninstall the extension. So I'm going to remove from Chrome, and then I'm going to go to metamask.io, make sure it's the official website, metamask.io, download, install for Chrome, and I'm on the Chrome Google Store, add the extension. And once the extension's added back in, it will be a clean slate and it will be wanting us to create a new wallet from scratch. Okay, now Metamask is installed. We need to create a new wallet in order to then import the hardware wallets. Sounds a bit strange, but it's the only way of doing it. You don't want to recover the seed phrase. Sure, we've got the seed phrase here, but we don't want this seed phrase to exist on the computer anymore. We don't want this to be online or connected to the internet in any way. We only want this to exist in the hardware wallet. And that's what we've restored. We've recovered it into the hardware wallet. We now need to get the hardware wallet connected into Metamask. So the only way of doing that is by setting up a new blank wallet. So we'll go create wallet. We'll set our password. And we will, again, never copy and paste these, but just for ease of this video. Okay, now we've created a brand new account. This doesn't matter, we're never going to use this account because this is a software wallet. This is connected to the internet. So if you want, you can click these 3 lines here, account details, and just rename it. Change it from account 1 to don't use, or whatever you want to call it, because we're trying to get everything moved across to a hardware wallet rather than a software wallet. So now that's done, now we can access the Metamask menu. We can go to profile icon, and now we can see connect hardware wallet. We're going to have to enable a setting first. So under settings, advanced, scroll to the bottom and turn on use Ledger Live. Once that's done, we can go profile icon, connect hardware wallet. And we're going to pick Ledger. Now the Ledger Live software is going to open up and ask if we want to use a device bridge. Yep, click open. And then on the device itself, oh no, it doesn't need it. So we wait for this connect to hardware wallet screen to come up with the wallet addresses. And again, we're not seeing the correct ones here. We're only seeing the top one is correct, the second 2 aren't. So click here to change from Ledger Live to BIP 44 standard. Click save. And here we go, bingo. We've got account 1, 2, and 3. Unlock those accounts. And now in the Metamask menu, we should have don't use, that's a software wallet, Ledger 1, Ledger 2, and Ledger 3. Now these are now much more secure. They don't exist on the computer as a software wallet. They only exist as an imported hardware wallet. And without the Ledger connected, there's no way you can actually do anything with these accounts. And there's no way a hacker can steal the seed phrase either. So if I go to Ledger 1, and there is a little bit of money, there's $47. If I try and send it across to Ledger 2, and I'll just try and send a tiny bit, $3. I'll click next and confirm, and it's not going to process. What's going to happen is Ledger Live is going to open up. Open device bridge, click open, and of course it wants me to connect to a hardware wallet because that's the only way we can do a transaction now that we're actually using a hardware wallet. So I connect the ledger, we enter the PIN code, one, two, three, four. And it's asking to open the Ethereum app. Okay, the bridge has now been opened. And now if we go and look at that transaction, it's now pending. It's now been authorized because we connected the app. Actually, here we go, review transaction. So in order for this to actually go, I need to accept it here. So I'm going to reject it. There we go. And as soon as I rejected it, it came up on Metamask as failed. So we now have our 3 previous wallets safely connected in a hardware wallet, which is much safer.
Okay, now you know how to connect your ledger and keep your crypto tokens safe from hackers. If you are looking to buy a ledger, you can use my link in the description below. The Ledger Nano S and X both support the same currency types, work with a mobile app, and provide a high level of security. The main differences are in price and storage capacity. A Nano X costs double what you'll pay for a Nano S, but the larger device features Bluetooth and long battery life. I would recommend the Ledger Nano S for infrequent crypto investors who want a secure cold wallet to store coins. On the other hand, if you're an active trader with a diverse set of assets, and want to access your crypto from an iPhone, you should go with the Nano X. If you use my link, I will get a small commission, so it would be much appreciated. Thanks for watching my video to the end. Feel free to leave a comment below, or if you need more help, you can contact me in my Telegram group. If you got something from my info, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day, and be safe.